So inverse DFT of the sequence. Um, so this is the value we got inverse DFT for DIT. So inverse DFT, actually DIT they have the same butterfly diagram. So 2-point DFT, 4-point DFT, 8-point DFT. Actually previously we discussed about the honorary DFT, DIT and DF. See the previous videos for maximum information you get in, you may get it from there, and you see this video. So inverse DFT, DIT. So this is DIT is a bit reversed order is input for DIT and normal order is output. Yeah, the only thing is inverse DFT and DFT the complex conjugate value have that imaginary part the sign value will be different. Okay, other things is same like DIT FFT. So this is inverse DFT. So remaining things are same. Only thing is complex conjugate value only changed. So remaining things are same, and final output. That inverse DFT. The final output will be divided by the endpoint DFT. Here they are using 8-point DFT, so it is divided by 8. That's a main difference. So bit reversed order we just apply the input. So we know the formula. So first formula. So this is the formula I shown previous video also. Okay, this is the formula. For DIT, A plus B total factor, A minus B total factor. Here the total factor is complex conjugate because of inverse DFT. And for DIF, A plus B and A second half is A minus B total factor. Hold the bracket. So here we are seeing A plus B total factor, A minus B total factor. Total factor as a complex conjugate. It is in inverse DFT. So here C A is 20 and B A plus B total factor B is 0. So 20 plus 0 is 20. Total factor is this is a 0, so 1 to 20 value, and A minus B total factor. So this is A minus B 0 and total factor is same 20. You got the value. This is A plus B, A minus B total factor. So that also written in yeah, here the complex conjugate bit reversed order they all put it. So bit reversed order values and then given value x of 0, x of 1, x of 2. This is a given value. So given values. So they return x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4 like that. And complex conjugate of that values. Okay, x of k and bit reversed order. So here the stage 1 20 plus A plus B total factor, A minus B total factor, we got the 20, and this one A is 0, B is 0. So 0 plus 0 total factor 0, and A minus B 0 minus 0 total factor 0. So this is 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0. So this is the value. And similarly here A is this the value and B is this value. So A plus B and then total factor is 1 because anything power 0 it is 1. So see this is A is a value and A plus B the value is goes to like this. Actually uh, so this is A and then plus B. So here already minus there, so plus minus minus. So this is the value you have to add and you will be get the value, and this one is A minus B. So minus minus plus you will be get it here, C A plus, so plus value is there. So you got the final value they return. So after the final value they return here. So this is the way you have to write it. And stage 2, so first two is A plus B total factor, second two is A minus B total factor. Okay, so this is A is 20 and B is 0. So 20 plus 0 total factor is 1, 20. So similarly, second this one, A is 20 and B is 0, 20 plus 0 20 and total factor. So this is the total factor. So stage 2, so this is 20 plus 0 then total factor. So this is the values, maybe it's 1. So that's why you know that you have to expand that w e with total factor value, you know that e power minus j 2 by k n divided by n, it's a complex conjugate also you have to take it. So 20. Similarly, you have to calculate every stage. So here first 4 is a plus b total factor, second 4 is a minus b total factor. So take it this one, 8, b is this one. This is the line b. This is the value a. So this is 20 plus b, that is minus 11.9 and total factor. So 20 minus 11.9, you got the value is 8. Okay, so it's around 8. Okay, so the round of value they put it. So similarly you have to take it a plus b. A is 20 and then this is the value they put it. So a plus b and the value, and they got the value is 60. Okay, see stage 3. Okay, so 16.02. Okay, the value they got is 16. So like that every stage you have to, this is also a, so this is b, a plus b and total factor value. Then similarly here a minus b total factor value. Then this is a table they given. Finally write the value, and here it's inverse dft. So n is equal to 8, so divided by 8 and divide the value by 8 and you got the values x of n. Okay, 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this is inverse DFT DIT.